Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pass data from Form 1 to another form in a C# Windows Forms application. This is very useful for login systems and dashboards. So, let's get started. First, let's design Form 1. I will add a button and name it Login. And the button name will be BTN Login. Next, I'll add a label for username and another label for password. Under the username label, I'll add a text box and name it TXT username. Under the password label, I'll also add a text box and name it TXT password. I'll also add a label at the top and name it Login Form. Now let's add a new form. I'll rename this form to Dashboard. Inside the dashboard form, I'll add a label with the text Welcome. Then I'll add another label named LBL User. This label will display the username that we pass from Form 1. Now let's go back to Form 1. I'll double-click the Login button to start coding. First, we'll get the values from the username and password text boxes. Next, we'll check if the fields are null or empty. After that, we'll add a sample password validation. If the password is correct, we will open the dashboard form and pass the username. If not, we will show an error message using try and catch. Now let's go to the dashboard form. This is where we receive the data from Form 1. We'll use a constructor with a parameter to accept the username. Then we'll display that value in the LBL user label. Okay, now let's run the application. First, let's try an incorrect password. As you can see, it correctly shows an error message. Now, let's enter the correct password. Boom! The dashboard form opens and our username is displayed. Let's try again with another username like hello. Boom! It works perfectly. And that's it, guys. That's how you pass data from Form 1 to Form 2 in a C# Windows Forms application. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.